I actually don't even know how to take this thing off. It just got stuck. I just popped it off by using the pry removal tool. I don't even know how I'm gonna put it back in, but anyway, let me unplug it. Oh, come on. Oh, wow. Why is this so hard? It's 2 tab. There we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, I got it out. It's glued in. It's here. I just gotta figure out how to take it out. Oh, okay. So guys, this is the tweeter. It's held on by 3 tabs. Those are not screws. They're just like plastic that's melted into the tweeter. I think I can try to melt it out and pull this out. So let me go and find it and I'll be right back. Okay, I got one of them. Good. Let's go to the next one. Oh, got it. Last one. Okay. All right, I got it, guys. This is the tweeter. It's out. Okay, guys. Sorry I didn't film it, but I'll just tell you basically what I did. What I was trying to do is put this like this, but the grill is touching this back plate here. It's plastic, by the way. So the grill is touching and I don't want to break the grill. And this also, it's melted plastic, so I just can't fit it in there. I found an easier way to do it. So I drilled a small hole in the middle of it and I fasten it with the provided screw and nut, and then put the little holders in there. So here's the tweeter. So that's what it's gonna look like. And the cable comes out this way. I think it looks a lot nicer rather than cutting the whole thing out. It would have been better if I put it in the back, but it's too much of a trouble to put in the back. So this looks so much better. So there we go, guys. Okay. So guys, taking this thing is a pain in the, you know what, I don't even know how they made this to come out. So I'm just trying to push it out like this. It's like a metal on plastic thing. It's super weird. So here it is. I got it out. It goes right up here. So I'm just gonna push those little legs in and trying to put it back in here. Okay, I got it in. It's not easy, but I got it in. Okay guys, now that's ready. Let's put it back in this spot right here. So guys, there's a little white piece here. It slides into the slots right here. Slide. And then we can pop this guy in. Okay, now we need a T20 that goes in here. It's this guy. Just put the T20 in here. All right. So now we can, let me make sure, black and black, connect the black. So I made my bullet connectors. I didn't show it to you guys. You've seen me make this on the channel multiple times, so it's just as easy. All right. Okay. Now I'm gonna route the cable in here this way. Okay. I need a little slack on it. Let me get a couple zip tie in there. Okay guys, now let's cut these right up here. Let's strip them. Done. All we have to do is basically put the tweeter on. Now let's route these cables in here. Got one that goes right here. This one goes right there. Put this over here. All right, looks good, guys. Let's give it another test drive. So guys, as you can hear, sounds really good. I can't play too much of the music. Don't want to get in trouble with YouTube. But anyway, all is all said and done. Everything is working. Looks good. Now we're good to put the door panel back. and then move on to the next side. But what I'm trying to do right now is trying to fix the clips. Basically, these are easily broken off, so you have to try to be careful when you popping them out. Use your hand and the tool to take them out. If not, these are gonna break off. I don't like the way they make them. Trying to do now is trying to like glue them back on, like with the soldering iron that I have. Okay guys, so now we gotta put the door panel back. I just did another double check. Everything looked like it's fitting really good. I'm happy about that. So now what we have to do, let's do this connection first. Make sure, actually you gotta open this up. It goes basically upside down like that. And then, okay, hold up. Make sure this little clip is all the way to the bottom. You push and then you slide it up. There you go. Now it's locked. Okay. Now you gotta put this guy on. You gotta twist it. It needs to go into this little hook there. The little hook on, and then you gotta push it this way. And hold on, gotta click it in. All right. See, that's how it's supposed to go. These connectors are for the master switch. Now all right guys, to put this thing on, you may need a second person. The only reason you made it a second person, don't mount the tweeter too low. Mount it a little higher because it makes it a little harder to put it on. But anyway, you have to kind of lift the back and land it into a rail. There's a rail right here. There's a white piece. Put the white piece into the rail and then it can slide down. So now I think we should be able to just clip it in. There we go. All right guys, so guys, be careful so you don't drop this, or else you have to take this whole thing off. Okay. Hopefully it's catching it. Yeah, it is. Okay, and there's two in the bottom, guys. Okay, now we can put the master switch on. These two connectors. So it goes like this, hold on, and then you clip it in. There you go, that's it. You got to put this thing back. It goes into here, and there's a little pin in here. I got to find it. I think I dropped it somewhere. You push the little pin in. Don't forget this, it's super easy. Just line it up, clip it in. Okay, so that's it guys. Move on to the other side. Hopefully we can get it done before the sun goes down. Let's go. Okay guys, it's been a tough one. I finally was able to mount this. I got a really long screw mounted to this thing, and it goes a little bit off the sheet metal, just a touch, just to grab it. Same on the bottom here, because I couldn't put it in the bottom here like the other side, but this one is gonna stay put. So now that this is on, all I have to do is start connecting everything So we're gonna connect the main wiring first. There you go, better. Okay, we're gonna put a little bit of fast ring in the back and then a little bit in the front too. Let me go get the fast ring. All right guys, so I got the fast ring. I'm gonna install this in the back. Okay, this is good. Now I'm gonna put a little bit of the fast ring also in the back here to help. Okay, that is on, guys. Now I'm pretty sure we can put the speaker on. I'm missing one screw. Like up it. Okay guys, finally the speaker is on. Now route the cable to go. Woofer is right here. And put a little bit more tape on there. Okay guys, speaker is installed. I'm gonna test it real quick just to make sure before I keep going. Testing the speakers. Yeah buddy. Alright guys, speaker sounds great, bass is lovely. I think I did a freaking amazing job. I wish you guys could listen to it. I don't want to get you in trouble. I just wish you would listen to it. But anyway guys, it sounds great. So let me just finish the tweeter. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I want to get in. Let's go. I feel rain again. Okay guys, so here it is. We're gonna drill over here. So we're gonna mount this high. Now I'm gonna attach the tweeter. Let me get the part of the hardware that came in the box. Okay guys, so I finished this up. I just need to take this little thingy off and then we can put this back. I made my cable. Okay guys, now let's just put the tweeter on. Okay. All right guys, everything is installed. Twitter is installed. Everything is installed. So now we're gonna do one more test just to make sure. All right guys, of course, sounds amazing, beautiful. I'm done. Let's put the door panel back and call this a doner. Let's go.